Ano nga bang ibig sabihin ng word na reckon? Ang reckon, this is a verb. Para mabilis, ang iisipin nyo lang, napapalitan siya ng think, o kaya naman guess, or suppose. For example, I reckon it's better to let go. Yung reckon dyan, pwede mong sabihin, I think it's better to let go. Kaya, I guess it's better to let go. Another example, I reckon I'll never love this way again. Okay, yung reckon dyan, napapalitan mo na yung think. I think I'll never love this way again, or I suppose I'll never love this way again. Isa pa, I reckon there are battles will always carry silently. Meron pang ibang meaning yung reckon, pero ito kasi yung pinakamadalas ginagamit, lalo na sa British English, common sa kanilang sabihin yan kapag casual conversations, kahit sa Australian English. Sa American English, hindi masyado, less common siya.